everyone, welcome back to the part 2 video of HR modules in Odoo 19's community version. Part 2 of your HR setup moves from administrative data entry to empowering your team. By setting up self-service and time off, you eliminate the email back and forth that usually drains a founder's time. The very first step that we are going to do is the employee self-service portal in the community version. You don't have a dedicated employee app, but you achieve the same result via the user portal. So for that, you can go to the settings, and inside the settings, you can find these users and companies, right? Here you have the users. So all the users can be seen over here, where Mark Demo is a normal user. So this is Mark Demo. Okay. For every new hire, you can create a user and set their internal user status. The benefits are that employees can now log into the emergency contact info, like they can update their own emergency contact info. They can view their own documents like the contracts and IDs. They can request time off directly. Then you can, use the home action settings to make the time off dashboard the first thing they see when they log in. So just by hearing everything, you won't understand anything, right? So I'm going to log out as Michelle Admin and then log in as Mark Demo. So he's a user, right? Now here I am setting up I've already set up a mail and password for this person, right? We are logging in with the mail and password. You can see this is how Mark Demo can see the different modules. If we go to employees, this is what he sees, the directory, and then he can find the departments as well. Like you don't have access over different departments, he can just view it. Similarly, he have the directory where you can see all the other working employees. Okay. So everything is there, but a minimal view as that of the user. But he can take a look at all his corresponding activities like his timesheets. He can create his new timesheet over here of every day. Then similarly, you have all other modules as well. So that is the very first thing, which is the employee portal. I'm logging out. Now let's log in as Michelle Admin, who has the administrator access. So that's the part 1. Next, you have the very next step, which is step 2. So here you have the time off, which is the leave management. Now, this is the most popular HR module for startups because it replaces the vacation spreadsheets. You can configure the leave types. For that, you have to go to the time off. Here you have the modules, right? In which you have to go to the time off. So let's open the time off. And inside the time off, where you have to go is the configuration, where you can find this thing called the time off types. So to set approval to time off, you can do that. Like if it's a paid time off, you can set approval to time off officer. Then you have time off types like sick leave, unpaid, compensatory and all. So sick leave means you have to set approval to no validation or medical professional. Like if you require note and all, then that is what you have to do. Then comes the allocation. So how much time do they get? That is the allocation that you have. So for that, you have to go to the time off, in which you can find the allocations as well. Okay, so you have the accrual plans over here. Here you have the management, under which you can find the allocation. So which is basically the approvals itself. Now here you can, see all the allocations that have been created, and also you can create it. Now the ones that are to be refused or validated, like the ones are to be approved, are still here in the allocations. You can create a rule here. For example, 20 days per year for all employee in the engineering department gets an allocation. That's how it works, right? Then you can, get the calendar view. Like managers can see a global calendar to ensure the 3 key developers aren't on vacation during a product launch week. So if you go to my time, simply go to the dashboard. This is what you see. Okay, for the manager, they can see this particular thing, which is a calendar. And from here, he gets to know who are working, who are on leave, and all such things. So that's the calendar view that we have for the managers. And comes the third one, which is the public holidays, okay, which we call as the global holidays. So you can open your standard 40 hours schedule and go to the global time of tab. Okay, so you have this thing called the public holidays. Here you have the public holidays. Now there will be certain holidays where everybody gets an off. Okay, not only your office, your neighboring office will also be getting off on that day. So that's exactly what we call as the public holidays, right? So you can see that you can add dates. Like if you want to enter your country's public holiday for 2026, you can add it from here simply by clicking on new. Okay, specify the start and end dates, the name of the holiday, and then specify your working hours and work entry type. So these days are automatically grayed out of your calendar and don't count against their paid time off balance. So you get an off over here, which doesn't affect your account. Okay. Then step 4 comes the Odoo 19 expense flow. So while full OCR, which is the AI scanning, is an enterprise feature, the community feature or the version allows manual entry, which is still highly effective. For that, you have to install the expense app. Okay, employee takes a photo of a coffee receipt with your phone. They log into the web portal, create an expense and upload the photo. And the manager clicks approve. Okay, so for startups, this is a tip that you can link the expense to analytic accounts. And if a sales representative spends $50 on a dinner for client A, you can track the cost against the revenue from the client A later. So these are the things that you can do using your community version. So this is especially for those people who are, going on with your startup missions. So I hope this will be really helpful for you. So this is the part 2 of HR modules and how HR modules are going to help you. So for startup outcome, for self-services, your employee can manage their own data, less admin for you. And talking about the leave policy, no more, how many days do I have left? Okay. Such questions can be cancelled off from your organization. Then comes the global holidays where employees automated schedule accuracy. Then comes the basic expenses where you can clear the paper trail for tax time and reimbursement. I hope this video was clear for you all. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.